What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this gaming G5 Pro gamepad. Now, if you're looking for a controller for your PC gaming, for your Nintendo Switch, for your mobile device, so you can get an edge on some gaming, you might want to take a look at this. This is going to be a Hall linear type of controller, multifunctional tactical buttons, so you can get that edge on the competition by having some custom buttons set up on your controller. So let's get this open, take a look at it, and do some gaming. Now, once you open it up, you'll get your user manual. This is going to be the controller. You'll look at that. Feels real nice. Also, you have a USB adapter. This is going to get you connected to your wireless controller. Now, you also get a USB-C charging cable, which will plug right into the front of the controller here, and that'll keep your controller charged. This is very similar to other controllers. Also, you have some nice RGB going on the controller as well. And then at the bottom, you have your special assigned custom buttons here, left and right, or 1 and 2, and right up under here is where you're going to switch from your different modes. So if you're on Android, you're on your Nintendo Switch, PC, iOS, 2.4 gigahertz. This thing has a lot of connectability. Now, so with that said, let's go ahead and get this connected and start some gaming. All right, so we're paired up. You just follow the instructions in the manual. If you have trouble pairing, you can use a USB cable, plug it up to your Switch, let it automatically pair, unplug it, and it should automatically pair. If not, make sure you go to your Switch menu, System Settings, Controller Sensors, and under Pro Controller Wired Communication, make sure that's turned on. Your controller should vibrate and you're ready to go. Well, all right, that's going to be the G5 Pro gaming controller for your Nintendo Switch, PC, or mobile devices. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section. And once again, I'm Rashard D with Double Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.